morning students. Today we discuss about the topic diode. The diode is derived from diode, which means a device having the two electrodes. That is, one is the anode electrodes and another one is the cathode electrodes. A diode is a one-way conductor. It has a two terminals, the anode and the cathode. The anode is a positive terminal and the cathode is a negative terminal. That means the anode contains a number of positive charges and the cathode contains a number of negative charges. A diode is an electrical component that allows current to flow in a one direction only, while the other direction is blocked. It is often used to regulate the flow of electricity through the circuit. Diodes are also used to convert alternating current into direct current. And diodes are manufactured from the semiconducting materials. The mainly used in metals in the silicon metals with various compounds and metals added depending on the functions of the diodes. In nowadays, the semiconductor diodes are made from the selenium and germanium materials. The diodes also can be used as a rectifiers, signal limiters, voltage regulators, switches, signal modulators, signal mixers, signal demodulators and oscillators. The characteristics of diode is two characteristics, and one is the forward characteristics and another one is the reverse characteristics. A p-n junction is formed by bringing a p-type material in contact with the n-type material. When p-type material is brought in contact with the n-type material, electron and holes start recombining near the junction. This is the diagram of the n and p-type materials. The p-type material contains the positive charges and n-type material contains the negative charges. It is the symbol of diode. The forward bias characteristics of diode is when a positive terminal of the diode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and the negative terminal of the diode is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, it is said to be a forward biased. The diagram shows that the p-type material contains the number of positive charges and the n-type material contains the number of negative charges. We know that the p-type material contains the low number of negative charges and the n-type material contains the low number of positive charges. That is, the minimum of positive charges contained in the n-type material and the minimum of negative charges contained in the p-type material. The positive charges is also known as holes, the negative charges is also known as electrons. This is the depletion region. In forward bias, the depletion region is decreased. Positive terminal of the battery repels majority carriers of the holes in the p region and the negative terminal repels electrons in the n region and push them towards the junction. This results in increase in concentration of the charge carriers near the junction. Recombination takes place and the width of the depletion region decreases. As forward bias voltage is raised, depletion region continues to reduce in width and more carriers recombine. The result is exponential rise of currents. The reverse bias characteristics of diode is, in reverse biasing, the p terminal is connected to the negative terminal of the battery and the n-type material of diode is connected to the p-type terminal of the battery, that is the positive side of the battery. The supplied voltage makes the n side is more positive than p side. This is the diagram of the reverse bias condition. The p-type material and the n-type material, the depletion region width is also increased because of the charge carriers. The negative terminal of the battery attracts the majority carriers of holes in the p region and the p-type material attracts the electrons in the n terminal of the diodes, pull them away from the junction. This results in decrease in concentration of the charge carriers near the junction and the width of the depletion region increases. A small amount of current flow due to minority carriers called a reverse bias current or leakage current. A reverse bias voltage is raised, depletion region continues to increase in the width and no current flows through the circuit. This is the IV characteristics of the diode. We take x-axis along the voltage and y-axis along the current. When we increase the forward voltage, the current will also increase. It is the forward condition. When we increase the voltage in the reverse condition, the current will also increase in the and suddenly decrease in the current. It is the reverse breakdown voltage. Types of diodes. There are different types of diodes are available. The basic types of Zener diode, PN junction diode, tunnel diode, Schottky diode, photodiode, pin diode, laser diode, avalanche diode and light emitting diode. First one is the Zener diode. A Zener diode is a silicon semiconductor device. Also already we show that the diode is manufactured in the semiconducting materials. Mainly in the semiconductor material is a silicon material. So the Zener diode is made up of silicon semiconductor device that permits current to flow in either a forward or reverse direction. The diode consists of a special heavily doped PN junction designed to conduct in the reverse direction when a certain specified voltage is reached. The Zener diode has a well-defined reverse breakdown voltage at which it starts conducting current and continues operating continuously in the reverse bias mode without getting damaged. Additionally, the voltage drop across the diode remains constant over a wide range of voltages, a feature that makes Zener diode suitable for use in voltage regulation. This is the Zener diode. The dark terminal of the dark side of the black is the negative terminal and the orange side is the positive terminal of the Zener diode. PN junction diode. This is the most basic type of diode formed by joining p-type and n-type semiconductors. It allows current to pass in the one direction, that is the forward bias, and blocks it in the opposite direction, that is the reverse bias. The current will flow through only in the forward bias condition. This is the PN junction diode. Positive is the anode and negative is the cathode. Tunnel diode. The tunnel diode is a highly doped semiconductor device and is used mainly for low voltage, high frequency switching application. It works on the principle of tunneling effect. It is the symbol of tunnel diode. Schottky diode. A Schottky diode is a type of semiconductor diode with a low forward voltage drop and a fast switching action. It is made by joining a metal with a semiconductor, typically silicon material. When current flows through the diode, it faces a lower voltage drop compared to regular diodes, which makes it more efficient. This diode is commonly used in power rectifiers, radio frequency applications, and as protection diodes in circuits due to its ability to switch on and switch off quickly. This is the PN junction diode, p-type and n-type material. It's the metal, that is the p-type contains the metal and the n-type material. Next one is the photodiode. Photo means light and diode means a device consisting of two electrons.